welcome to Heidi's Homestead. Today we are going to harvest just one grow bag of potatoes. You could look at the plant, it's looking pretty beat up already, and these are red Norland, and these mature really quickly. I can't remember when I planted them, but I think it was in March maybe, but these are ready. So let's get this harvested. I got my bowl. I don't know if I'm gonna get a lot or not. I should have brought my, oh, there you go. I should have brought my what's it called? My wheelbarrow. I hope I don't regret harvesting them now, because I've seen a lot of small ones. Oh my god, guys. Look at that. Wow. Ew. That looks like a sweet potato. Mushy. Wow, guys. Look at these. Wow. That is amazing. Look at that. And this is, I think it's maybe a 20-gallon grow bag. Oh, we got worms. I'm gonna put them over there. And I'm not gonna give the potato leaves to my chickens, because potato leaves are not good for them. They're actually poisonous.
Is the grass wet?
A bit, yeah. I'm making a video. I should have brought my wheelbarrow. But look at the harvest. Okay, he's gonna come and get some shoes. Oh my god, guys. Look. I am so happy with this harvest. I'm so excited. If I get this much in this garden bed, I'll probably have more in my grow bags. I'll probably have more in my garden beds. Okay, so I feel the seed potato. Okay, here's the seed potato. Yuck. Right there. It's rotted. But it's done its purpose. I really should have brought my oh, there's another earthworm. Put him in here, in the garden bed. Alright, guys. I'm sure there's probably more. But look so far. Look at these nice sized ones too. Look at that. There's another earthworm. think that's it, guys. I mean, I think that's a pretty good amount. Alright, I do have another potato here, but this one doesn't look like it's ready, so I'm not even gonna mess with it. Oh, here's another one. Nice size one too. Beautiful. Oh, here's another one. And these are red Nordland. Oh, here's another one. But these are thorns in the garden bed. Oh, two more. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my god. Got another earthworm. Get him there. Alright guys, I think that is it for my harvest. That's a good amount. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I wonder if the other ones I planted in my garden bed, I wonder if they're ready. So this is my other potato patch. These are not quite ready yet, but once they're ready, I will do a harvest video. But look at that. I thought I had some red. These are red Nordlands. I thought I grew some red Nordlands here too. Let me check. But nonetheless, they're not ready yet. I broke a potato stem here, and here I am breaking them. I don't know if these are ready. I don't think so. What is this one? These are not ready yet. I'm gonna let those be. But these are looking kind of beat up too. But these are not ready. These are probably going to be ready in July. But you can see how big it's gotten. But the leaves are turning yellow on the bottom. So that means we will probably get potatoes here soon. But yeah, I'm super pleased. And I probably have more in the grow bag. I'm gonna turn it over, but look at these. I mean, look, nice size ones too. And I put 3 potatoes in that grow bag, in a 3-gallon, not a 3-gallon, 20-gallon. But I say, pretty nice harvest. And I do have those 3 grow bags, but those are not ready. I knew those were ready just by the color of the leaves, so we're still not gonna harvest those yet. And I did scrape some, but that's okay. I'll probably make some dinner with them tomorrow. If I would have known, I hate that I scraped these. If I would have known, I would not have watered them. I watered them like 2 days ago. So we're just gonna let these cure, and they're gonna be ready to be eaten. Potato harvest. This is what I harvested in my 20 gallon grow bag. Organic potatoes, red Nordland. Beautiful. Got my first potato harvest, organic potatoes. I'm so happy. And these potatoes were grown in a 20 gallon grow bag. To grow good potatoes, you just need good soil, compost, and good loose soil. I put 3 plants in here, and I got this amount, plenty of potatoes, and I'm so happy and pleased and blessed that I get to grow my own food now. My dream has come true. But here is the results. These are red Norland, and these this potato actually matures quite quickly, so you could grow them throughout the season. Yeah, there you go. Bye. Let's count how many potatoes I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. 31 potatoes. Steven, how much did you say you think this bowl weighed? Potatoes? Like
7 pounds.
7 pounds? He said 7 pounds of potatoes. I'm not really good at gauging. But 7 pounds. Can't wait to harvest my potato beds. Okay, so I guess for if you want to have them stored quite a bit, obviously mine, I kind of, with my nails, I kind of scrape the skin. And you kind of don't want to do that because you want, you don't want them to go bad quickly. So when harvesting, be gentle. I've scraped the skins on some, which I don't like, but that's okay. See this one? We're gonna have to eat it first because it could go bad. But if you want to store them for quite a bit, don't wash them. Just lay them out in on a cardboard box and let them dry. But tomorrow I'll make some of these potatoes for breakfast. I'm gonna make some fried potatoes with eggs, and I'm gonna use the ones that I've scraped, which I am not happy about, but that's okay. It'll be fine. But yeah, good harvest. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.